All right, let's cut to the chase. You're scrolling, you're working, you're maybe even just trying to figure out where your next paycheck is going, and you've stumbled across this Roger Bank. But here's the real question: who actually uses Roger Bank? Seriously, who are these people? Are they tech wizards? Small business owners? Maybe just your average Joe looking for a better way to manage their money? Let's be honest, in a world saturated with financial institutions, each promising the moon and the stars, it's easy to get lost in the noise. So, instead of just throwing marketing buzzwords at you, let's dive deep and explore the real faces behind Roger Bank. We're going to break down the demographics, the use cases, and, most importantly, the why behind their choice. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Roger Bank isn't your traditional brick-and-mortar giant. It operates primarily in the digital space, which immediately gives us a clue about its user base. We're talking about individuals who are comfortable with technology, who value convenience, and who are looking for financial solutions that fit their modern lifestyle. This means a significant portion of Roger Bank's users are millennials and Gen Z, the digital natives who have grown up with smartphones and online banking. But it's not just about age. It's about mindset. These users are often early adopters, people who are willing to try new things and embrace innovative financial tools. They're not afraid to ditch the traditional banking model if they see a better alternative. They're the ones who are constantly searching for ways to streamline their finances, save money, and invest smarter. Now, let's get specific. Who are these people in their daily lives? The freelancer and gig worker. Imagine someone juggling multiple freelance projects, managing invoices, and trying to keep track of their fluctuating income. For them, traditional banking can be a nightmare. Roger Bank, with its streamlined digital interface and tools for managing payments and expenses, becomes a lifeline. They appreciate the ability to access their funds quickly, send invoices easily, and get real-time insights into their cash flow. Features like instant transfers and automated expense tracking are game changers for this demographic. The small business owner. Running a small business is a 24/7 job. Every penny counts, and time is a precious commodity. For these entrepreneurs, Roger Bank offers a suite of tools that simplify financial management. They can easily manage payroll, track business expenses, and access business loans without the red tape associated with traditional banks. The ability to integrate with other business software, like accounting platforms, is another major draw. They need solutions that scale with them, without the need for a lot of face-to-face interaction. The tech-savvy investor. In today's fast-paced financial markets, access to real-time data and investment tools is crucial. Roger Bank caters to individuals who are interested in investing, whether it's stocks, crypto, or other assets. They appreciate the platform's user-friendly interface, low fees, and access to a wide range of investment options. The ability to manage their investments from their smartphone, anytime and anywhere, is a major selling point. The budget-conscious individual. Let's face it, everyone wants to save money. Roger Bank attracts users who are looking for ways to cut costs and make their money work harder. This could be anyone from a student trying to manage their limited funds to a young family looking to build their savings. They appreciate features like no monthly fees, high-yield savings accounts, and cashback rewards. The transparency and control offered by the platform empower them to take charge of their finances. The expat and digital nomad. In a globalized world, more and more people are living and working abroad. For these individuals, traditional banking can be a major headache. Roger Bank, with its international transfer capabilities and multi-currency accounts, makes it easy to manage their finances across borders. They appreciate the convenience of being able to access their funds from anywhere in the world, without exorbitant fees or complicated paperwork. The everyday users seeking simplicity. Beyond these specific demographics, there's a large segment of users who simply want a better banking experience. They're tired of hidden fees, long wait times, and clunky interfaces. They appreciate the simplicity and transparency offered by Roger Bank. They want a financial institution that understands their needs and provides solutions that are easy to use and accessible. Now, let's dig a little deeper into the why. Why are these people choosing Roger Bank over traditional banks? Convenience. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. Roger Bank's digital-first approach allows users to manage their finances from the comfort of their own homes or on the go. They can access their accounts, make payments, and transfer funds anytime, anywhere, using their smartphone or computer. This level of convenience is simply not possible with traditional banks. Lower fees. Traditional banks often charge a variety of fees, from monthly maintenance fees to overdraft fees. Roger Bank, on the other hand, is known for its low-fee or no-fee structure. This is a major draw for users who are looking to save money and get more value from their banking experience. Innovation. Roger Bank is constantly innovating and introducing new features and services. This appeals to users who are looking for cutting-edge financial solutions. They appreciate the platform's commitment to staying ahead of the curve and providing them with the latest tools and technologies. Transparency. Traditional banks are often criticized for their lack of transparency. Roger Bank, on the other hand, is committed to providing clear and concise information about its fees, policies, and products. This level of transparency builds trust and empowers users to make informed financial decisions. Personalization. Roger Bank uses data and technology to personalize the user experience. This means that users receive tailored recommendations and insights based on their individual financial habits and goals. This level of personalization makes banking more relevant and engaging. Community. Roger Bank is building a community of users who are passionate about financial empowerment. They host online forums, webinars, and other events where users can connect with each other and learn from experts. This sense of community is a valuable asset for users who are looking for support and guidance. It's important to understand that Roger Bank isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's focused on serving a specific segment of the population, the digitally savvy, the financially conscious, and the innovative. It's building a platform that caters to their unique needs and preferences. So, to answer the initial question, who uses Roger Bank? It's a diverse group of individuals, from freelancers and small business owners to tech-savvy investors and budget-conscious consumers. They're united by a desire for convenience, transparency, and innovation. They're looking for a financial institution that aligns with their modern lifestyle and empowers them to achieve their financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.